Got a 2023 Toyota Tundra key fob. We're going to open it up to replace the battery. First thing we're going to do is turn it over, and there's a button right here. They're going to slide to the left with your thumb and pull out the emergency key. Okay. And when we have it like this, you're going to need a small flathead screwdriver, and there's a little slot right here that we're going to put the screwdriver in. It's not the slot the emergency key went in on the side here. It's right here. Okay. We'll put that in there, and we're going to give this a twist. Okay, and it's going to crack it open. You kind of see where I did it at. Now you want the buttons facing down when you open it up, because the buttons are loose once you crack it open. And you can take this out, or you can leave this in. You're just going to need to, I like to leave them in because you don't have to fight with it later on, getting it lined up. I like to hold it like this and pry out the battery. Okay, just make sure you don't let everything fall out, because again, these buttons are loose. Okay. Here's the battery, here's the size. It's gonna be CR2450. Positive sign facing out towards us. You stick it into the top of the remote first, and push it down and click it in. Now I'm gonna have to get this lined up real good with the rubber here, since I did take it apart, which I don't recommend doing. Be a little bit of a pain. Okay, get it back in there like that. And then we just snap this back on. We're gonna start at the top, work our way down. You know you got it right when the emergency key goes in and locks in, and you're all done.